In this video, I will tell you how to make blue flame effect manipulation. Okay guys, let's open your Photoshop. I am using CS6. Now guys, open the image which you want to manipulate. Guys, I am going to manipulate this image. Now guys, double click on this layer. After that, guys, click here and make the new layer by clicking on this symbol. Now guys, click here and go to the gradients. Now click here on the black color. Now guys, select this color. After that guys, click on this symbol to change the color and click on the color. Guys, right here 00 A P F. After choosing this color, click on OK. Also choose the another color by clicking here. Now again choose the color. I am choosing black color. After that, click on OK and change the style by clicking here. I am choosing the radical. Now guys, increase the scale. Increase it to 186. After increasing it, guys, click on OK. And now guys, take this image and place here. Now press Ctrl G to transform the image. Fit the image here. After fitting it, guys, click here and go to the hue saturation. Don't forget to click here. Guys, now choose the colorize, click on the colorize and move this cursor. And move the cursor. Increase the saturation. Now guys, decrease the lightness. After doing that, click here. Now guys, click on the normal here. Now don't forget to choose the soft light. Press Ctrl Alt Z to undo this step. Now guys, merge this both layer. Click on the hue saturation layer and press Shift and click on the layer 1. Guys, you can see that both layers are selected. And now right click on the layer 1. Now click on the merge layer. Guys, you can see that both layers are merged. Now guys, click on the normal. And don't forget to click on the soft light. After that, guys, take this both layer down to the layer 0. Now guys, click on the layer 0 and choose the magic wand tool and click once time on the screen. Once you did this, then press Ctrl X. Ctrl and X. Guys, once you did this, then press Ctrl T to transform the image. Guys, decrease the size of the car. After doing that, guys, crop this image by clicking here. This is a crop tool. Crop this image. Guys, after cropping that, click here and click to the crop. Once it's cropped, now press and again Ctrl T. Now guys, increase the car size and fit it here. Guys, it's looking good here. Click here and click on the apply option. After that, guys, go to the gradient layer. Here the gradient fill one and press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. After making duplicate, take this layer to the top and hidden this layer by clicking on the eye. Now guys, take the girl. Guys, this is the girl. You have to crop it. I already cropped it here, so I am taking this image, but you have to crop this girl image. Now press Ctrl T to transform this image. Guys, fit this here. I think it's looking good here. It's looking good. Now guys, on this gradient layer, by clicking on this eye option here on this layer and click on the normal option and click on the overlay. Sorry, it's not, click it, undo this tab and go to the normal. By mistake I did this image. Now click on the gradient fill and click on the normal and go to the overlay. Now guys, it's looking amazing. Let's decrease the opacity. I think at 66. At 66, it's looking good. Now guys, close the extra tabs. Close the extra tabs. Now guys, go to the file. I'm going to opening the new image. Guys, now open the flame circle image. Once you open it, then click on the background, double click on the background and click on this normal option, and don't forget to click on this exclusion. Once you did this, guys, make a new layer and take this layer 1 to the down to the layer 0. Now guys, choose this paint bucket tool and choose a black color. After choosing the, click once time on the screen. Once you did this, you can see that this color fills in the layer 1. Now guys, choose a white color. Choose this white color. After choosing that, again click on the screen once time. Once you did this, guys, it converted into the blue color. Now guys, click on the edit option and click on the define brush. Click on the define brush process. Now guys, click on the OK option. Guys, again come here and choose the brush tool. Now select this because we already made a brush tool here. And this here we can made this brush tool. Now guys, decrease the size of this tool, brush tool. I think this is fit here. Now make a new layer go to the main image and decrease the size and choose the color. I think it's best. This one is best. Now guys, press one time. Sorry, press Ctrl Alt Z and make a new layer. Choose color again. I'm choosing this. I'm choosing this one. 00 CC F. You can see that here. After that, click on the OK option and click once time here. Now guys, you can see it here. Now guys, choose it, click here and choose this brush tool here, this one. Now guys, choose this color and decrease the size and make a new layer. After doing that, click once time in this circle. Once you did this, click on the normal. Once you click it, don't forget to click on the pen light. Guys, once you did this, select this color, select the white color, and now again choose the brush tool and decrease the size of this brush and make one new layer and click on this circle once time. Again. Now guys, decrease this opacity at 70%. Make a new layer. And guys, go to the layer 3 and again choose this color. It's 00 CC and F. Choose this color and click increase the size and click once time here. Now guys, it's ready, and merge this all layer. Click on the 5 layer and press shift key and click on the layer 2. Now guys, all of the layers are selected. Now right click on any layer. Once you click it, then go to the option merge layer. As you can see that all layers are merged here. Now press Ctrl T to transform the image. Guys, once you did this, click here and go to the hue saturation, and don't forget to click here and also select the colorize option. Select the blue color. Now guys, 203, 100 and -14. After that, click here and close this. You can see that the difference by clicking on the eye option here. See the difference. Now guys, go to the end of the layer and click on the gradient fill one layer and press Ctrl and J to duplicate this layer. Now guys, take this duplicate layer and place it top to the layer carbon. This is a car. This is a car layer. You can see that, and this is a gradient. This is a gradient layer. Now guys, choose the gradient layer and click on this option normal, and then don't forget to choose the soft light option. After doing that, guys, go to the opacity and decrease it to 82%. After that guys, choose the layer 5, this one, this ball layer. Now guys, press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. Once you did this, take the layer copy 5 and place it here on the hand. Once you did this, then go to the normal option and set it to soft light. Guys, it's looking, now press Ctrl G to fit it. It's looking good now guys. Now guys, again click here and go to the gradients. And choose this color. It's 00CC and double F. After choosing this, click on OK. Click on OK and choose the style to radical. Now guys, press Ctrl. Here is it. Increase the size. And click on OK. Guys, undo this tab, delete this layer. Press OK. Now guys, you can see that our design is ready. I hope you like it. Okay, thanks.
If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.